Hi, Senia and Anna. I'm Liz and Valentina from Fastano. How'd you both doing today?
Hello, I'm doing amazing. Just enjoying the Easter holiday with the family. It's been amazing. And along with the great things that we've heard about Fastenal.
Yeah, me too. It was a much needed break from work, but I'm also kind of happy that I'm back and getting to work on the exciting projects, big projects that we have currently. And how are y'all doing?
We're doing pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. And I'm so glad to hear that you guys are doing fine. Personally, for me, it was kind of a hassle to find the Easter eggs this year. They went kind of hardcore with it, but we made it work. On the bright side, we're so happy to have you guys here today.
Well, I know that you guys so busy and I don't want to take up too much time you guys today. If it is that okay if I take a 5 to 10 minutes of your time to go over some of the problem you have been facing and get to know the University of Houston better?
Yeah, 5 to 10 minutes sounds great.
Before we begin, anything else that you would like to add on the agenda?
No, I think that what you have planned out sounds great.
Okay, great. So we're going to get started. I'll just introduce ourselves again. My name is Valentina. This is my partner, Lee. I've been personally working at Fastenal for a little over 2 years. We are account specialists. So in the short summary, what we do, we're responsible for the Fast solutions, which include three of our main best-selling products, such as the Fast Shock, the Fast Bin, and the Fast Vend. So the main concept of our solutions is to provide easy access for our clients and our products in an organized way to help reduce your inventory, minimize being out of stock, and just make sure that you're going to have product availability at any time needed. And we're very excited to get to know what you guys and the University of Houston needs to improve.
Just let's get started. And I know that universities of Houston have like a big project that has been working like remodelings on campus, hotels, and new medical college. Can you tell me a bit how's the project going on right now?
Well, it's going as well as it can be to a certain extent. Again, our projects are really big, like you said, but we are having some issues about labor and inventory efficiency.
So what would you guys say are currently your biggest challenges that you're facing with the projects going on?
Yeah, like Xenia was stating, our biggest issue is with inventory. And also, we have a lot of communication problems with the vendors that we have now because we don't have the best communication system at all. And we usually just have stock sitting there at the facility, and the employees get confused because some of it we need, some of it we don't. And it just ends up creating such a mess. And overall, it's just a very inefficient system.
I know that's really frustrating, especially since the project are so big and it's gonna be cause some major delay, right?
Yeah, so since you are the VP of facilities and Xenia is the facilities maintenance manager of these projects going on, what are some of the goals that you guys hope to achieve by the end of the quarter?
Well, some of our goals are striving to improve efficiency and reducing costs. Well, some of the things we are hoping to address are some big issues such as carrying too many products, which has increased our expenses by 60%, and it has enhanced our projects that have been started.
Yeah, and I would also like to add that the maintenance department as a whole would like to reduce their overall annual spending by about like 10% for the year 2022. And additionally, we would like to have and implement a new system for tracking product purchases. So that way we know the inventory that we have at the facility and the inventory that is, on its way.
Based on what you guys telling me right now, so what would happen if you guys weren't able to resolve the problem that you guys facing right now?
Well, some of the problems that can occur are honestly, it can be very frustrating because some of these issues I know that is not up to par with the University of Houston standards, and that they are best at what they do. And I feel that we have to match with those and the facilities that we already have. If we didn't fix our inefficiencies, we wouldn't be able to cut our budget down, which meaning that we wouldn't be able to be used the money for our students. Overall, it just negatively impacts the university as a whole.
Okay, so what I can gather from the conversation we just had, you guys are looking for a more efficient system for sure that can help you track and reduce your inventory and also cut down your expenses a bit.
I know that our company can definitely help address those issues and concerns. Valentina and I have prepared two different options that we would like to present to you guys. Would you like to know what's the option that we are already prepared for you guys?
Yes, definitely. We have been speaking to lots of vendors, and we're just honestly just looking for the right solution for us in the university.
Okay, let me go ahead and share my screen. Give me 1 second. You guys see my screen right now? And this is two options that we prepare for you guys. The first option gonna be contract for 2 years, and the second option gonna be contract for 5 years. And the options gonna be like the first option gonna be like two-year contract is short term but higher cost, and option two gonna be longer term but low contract. Along with that, we're gonna be have the software hosting fees and the inventory maintenance, automatically reorder and reporting. So what option is good for you guys?
I think as a VP of facilities, I honestly like the second option a lot better, especially because it's, you know, a longer contract, especially because a lot of the work that we're having at the university is going to be over the course of a couple of years, and we always have projects coming on. So, and especially having a lot of the machines available on campus, not just limited to the 5, but also having the 10, which I think would be good for the large projects that we're having right now. But the only thing I really don't understand is why the whole like maintenance fee and automatic reordering fee.
Okay, so just to confirm, Anna, you do like the second option, which I believe is a great option, but you just don't understand why there's additional fees on it and why you have to pay for them. Is that right?
Yeah, that is the only thing I don't understand why we need to pay.
Yeah, well, just to clarify, no fee to help keep the product in stock. Our equipment use the radio frequency identification, the technology. This technology help the maintenance project on schedule by eliminating out of stock situation. Fastener receive an alert when stock run low and send the need supply to the university right away. This will definitely help your system become more efficiency and effective.
Yeah, now I understand a little bit since you break it down in that way. And that is definitely something that's important to the university, especially since we're already behind on the large projects because of all the issues that we were facing with our previous vendors that we have. And it's something that we definitely need to get projects on their way and definitely get them back on track.
Yeah, so I know that you guys are a big campus, so you do have a lot of projects going on, especially now. I'm so glad that this is something that it can help you guys benefit from it. So did these answers help you go through why we have the extra fees, and like, did it make it more understandable for you guys?
Yeah, I honestly think that you explaining that further to us makes us understand why those fees are in place, and just makes us more clear, and just makes it more clear now.
Yeah, definitely. And I think that me and Xenia are on the same page that option 2 would be the best solution for us, especially for the goals that we have for this quarter, that what we were talking about previously, that we want to cut down on costs. And we definitely want to have a tracking system for all our products. And I see that you guys are going to be able to help us, especially with those big problems. So definitely on that note, I think that we'd be more than happy to move forward with the deal.
Now, Valentina and I already done with the presentation. And Anna and Senia, would you like to commit to the second option and the partner up with Fastenal to help on the new project and colony building here at University of Houston?
Yes, especially since after everything we've discussed today, we're looking forward to getting operations up and running and also reducing the costs we have been incurring due to the inefficient systems we have been using.
We are very happy to hear you guys are interested in working with Fastenal. We are very excited to work with you. You guys will definitely have an easier time with everything, have an easier time with all your projects that are going on now and in the future.
Yes, thank you for taking the time to sit down and talk, along with the giving us opportunity to partner with you guys in the amazing projects.
So we will go ahead and send all the documents to you guys to close off this deal. Thank you so much for talking to us and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. See you guys
guys.
soon.
Bye.